It's Christmas in July. Let's talk Christmas crochet patterns, and today even more Santa patterns. I'm for big crochet. It's Christmas in July. We're taking a look at more Christmas crochet Santas. I made another video about crochet patterns for Santa, so check that one out. But maybe you'll find your favorite pattern amongst these cute Santas. Let's start with a very cute one. I love his fluffy beard and little gold detail of the belt buckle. This one is cute. I love that he has glasses and he has a very funky little beard. Cute! This one is nice as well. I like the big nose and the small eyes and the bell on the end of his head. And Mrs. Claus snuck in here, but she deserves a little place amongst these Santas as well. I love her little sweet face, and she's adorable. Look at this cute little thing. Wow, so much detail in such a small thing. These are fun to hang in your Christmas tree or whatever you want to use it for. You can make a wreath and you can make a Santa. Cute. And this is a fun couple, Santa and his reindeer. They look like they're having fun. Oh, adorable. I think we had this one already. Yeah, still very sweet. And he brought his sack with presents. Oh, this is cute. He's flat. I think you can use him as a coaster. I like the little funky beard he has going on, and he has a very sweet face. And this one pops up again. But now you can see how small it is. They put it in a glass bauble, and this you can hang as a decor in your tree or somewhere else. But what a fun idea to crochet something really small and put it in a glass bauble as a Christmas decoration. This one is hanging as well. I like the popcorn stitch border of his hat, and he has a very wild beard. And that's it for the Santas. Check out the other video I have. There are even more elaborate and fun patterns for Santa over there. I hope to see you again soon for more Christmas in July, and I wish you happy crocheting.